In the following experiment, we will show how frost wedging works. Water and climate are the most important factors in frost wedging. For this reason, it's possible to create what happens in nature in an artificial way. It can be shown by the following experiment, in which water behaves with the temperature change to create frost wedging. The materials we will use for the experiment are body balloons that will be used to carry water and oil. We will use some gypsum to recreate the rock in the mountains that we can find in any hardware store. We will use some Tetra Pak, water, and some cooking oil. The process we follow is first fill a balloon with some water. Then we have to make the same process, but instead of water we will use some oil. Then we have to cut 3 Tetra Pak boxes in which we will put the gypsum and the balloon with oil and water inside. Then we have to mix some gypsum with water, and this will represent the rocks in the mountain. Then we have to fill the Tetra Pak boxes with the gypsum mixture. In one of the boxes you have to put the balloon with oil and in the other one the balloon with water, and then fill them with gypsum. The result will be 3 boxes filled with gypsum. One will include the water balloon and the other one the oil balloon. Then we place the boxes in the freezer for about 8 hours. After 9 hours, we go and check our boxes. We can notice that the first box and the second box got almost no change, but the third box, the water balloon box, got some cracks around the balloon. Then we use an stiletto to cut the boxes off. After we cut all the boxes, we can notice in the first box, the one that got only gypsum, all the faces of the cube are flat. In the second box, the one that got the oil balloon, we can notice all faces are flat, like in the first one, nothing at all happens. But in the third one, first we notice the cracks in the surface of the cube around the balloon, and when we open, we see that water tries to expand to the Tetra Pak box, and it causes some cracks. This is what happened with frost wedging. In frost wedging, water gets inside the cracks and expands and breaks some rocks from the mountain.